I don't know where that comes from. It's as if somebody pushed him from behind us. There's no rebuilding. The tarmac stopped.
Yeah.
Where's the footpath? Sure. You're following the footpath. It says footpath because that's the footpath we actually want. Steve's trying to do a running vlog thing where he gets into his vlog and he vlogs himself gently walking towards the gate, which we all know that vlogging miles are an awful lot longer than normal miles. Look at that. Tim, you can't see the camera on the side there to spoil his video.
No, don't look at it.
Don't look at it. Don't look at the camera.
Don't look at it.
Don't look at the camera. You mustn't look at the camera at all. No one's
You're ruining my otherwise superb vlog here.
No one's looking at his camera.
Wait, you get a payment or so, we're not accepting the colour as cash.
Joel's waiting for the camera, I couldn't mean that. Right, let him go and take his camera down. First week of we are passing the first bridge, as you can see here. We're heading that direction, so we're now look for the second bridge, and we will be crossing the second bridge. So, yeah, stay with us, and I'll show you the end. Oh, that's one we
We're actually heading towards some secret waterfall, but I'm sure in a month's time it won't be a secret anymore. And I've forgot the name on it already.
Warney side.
Warnyside Force.
Yeah.
So heading toward Warnyside Force, which hopefully isn't too much further, because in this heat it's killing me. So yeah, we'll catch up when we're there. I'm having a rest. What's wrong with him, mate? What's wrong with him? Come on. Sorry? No, I can't hear you. Oh no. They'll be carrying me down on the way back, I assure you. This secret waterfall is extremely secret because we can't find it yet. So it might stay secret. But we'll see, Absolutely stunning. What's actually killing us today is the weather. It's just a bit too warm. Nice to have a little bit of shade and we're out in the open. Ooh. We found the secret waterfall. It's just round this corner. We got a glimpse of it when we come over the bridge. It looks pretty epic, to be honest. There's some lovely little pools here. Wow. There's a picture here. I'll get that when I come back, but I'm going up to the top first. Probably work my way back. I think it's the best thing. Oh, some lovely little pools. The biggest thing against us today is how bright it is, because it's only overcast, so it's getting that long exposure, but I think you're only going to need half a second, or not even that probably, because it looks like the waterfall's quite a big one, so that water's moving quite quick, or even an exposure blend. So we'll see when we get there, but I'm getting a little bit excited. Can't you tell? Wow. Oh. Come on. I ain't going to show you yet. Keep you in suspense. Oh. Oh. I can't say it all myself yet. Wow. Oh. I suppose the only advantage, I suppose, is waterfalls make for a nice black and white, and we've got beautiful dark blue skies above. So if we have to incorporate the sky, I don't think it'll be too much of an issue, to be honest. Where normally, get rid. Look at this. Look at that. Is that epic or what? Oh wow. The gassing again. Blog off. This secret pool we found, there's people swimming in it, so maybe, I don't know, it's not that secret. Hey, I don't blame them. Oh. We're probably ruining the day now. Oh. Oh. Appropriate footwear. What we need. This is hardcore. It's also extremely cold. What I'm going to do on this image, I think, is have the water as it hits the pool in the bottom third. We'll focus on the waterfall. I've gone to get the right exposure, which I don't want particularly too quick. It's a 1/6 of a second, with the waterfall coming in from the top left hand side. It's in the middle of the image. I might just move it around. I wonder if it looks... No, I think it's better off in the middle there. So we'll get that image. We'll see what that's like. Yeah, I've gone f/22 ISO 50 to give me a 1/6 of a second exposure. Let's have a look at that. See, I think that's nice. The water's obviously running extremely quick, so I don't think you need a particularly long exposure. We've got the polarizer. I'm just going to adjust that polarizer actually. That's better. I'm really struggling to see the back of the camera, so what I'm actually doing, if I underexpose the image, if I can, come on, yeah, blah. There we go. If I underexpose the image so I can see it better on the back of the camera, I've then picked my focal point, the middle of the waterfall there, and then correct the exposure again. Just check everything's okay. Take the image, 2-second timer, done. I'm just going to wait and move over and try and get an image from that other side, and then I think I'm going to move down and see if there's any cascades down the bottom there. And I've got to get my feet out of this water. Absolutely freezing, but refreshing, I must admit. Now, I know it's been done a million times, I hope you can hear me because I've not got the mic plugged in. But I just want to show you the effect of the polarizer, especially around the waterfall and the shiny rocks. But as I twist the polarizer, look. look at the glare off the dark rock. So you can just get back round, and there we go. And it just brings that waterfall out. It looks absolutely stunning. And I actually love how we're getting the reflection in the water and then these beautiful coloured pebbles in the foreground. Okay guys, I know you've been portrait mode, but I've really got to show you in this mode, else we won't get the effect that what I'm trying to take. I've come down, sort of the next step down from this waterfall, and actually managing to get the two cascades almost looking like it's one. As one comes down, the next one continues. Looks fabulous. Now, what I'm not sure about is this. I'm not sure if it adds a little bit of interest to the image or not. I'm also not sure about this, and I honestly don't know what to do about the sky. I'm not sure if it really takes anything away from it at all. If anything, I quite like it because I like the shape of the trees at the top. But again, I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do to edge my bets, I'm going to take an image with this bit of driftwood in and the sky in. I think whatever happens, I'm going to keep that bit of sky because if I do a black and white, then it doesn't matter anyway. But the sky is that blue. It really makes a nice colour contrast with the green surrounding it. So that colour's working together. So I'm not worried about that beautiful blue sky. So I don't actually think the sky is a problem. If it was washing it out, definitely gone. But I'm still not sure about whether I need to incorporate more of this driftwood or try and move forward and take it out of the image completely. Now if I move to the right hand side, then we don't get the cascade running down as we want it to. If I move forward, obviously that's gone, but there's a big rock in the foreground that takes my eye off it. So I'm going to have to work the image and try and find the best. I'm honestly not sure, but I don't want to move this. Well, I probably can't move it anyway, it's probably too heavy, but I don't want to move it. And like I say, it might actually create that little bit of interest in the image. I think what I'm going to do is incorporate the whole of the driftwood and see what happens. To do that, I've got to move back a little bit. That's pretty much the composition I'm getting. I'll just pan it up for you so you can see the whole composition, and then we'll come back down. That's really nice, that is. I'm gonna get another shot from, I've just moved over about half a metre and it lines the cascades up a little bit better, so I'm definitely going to get a shot, and it's going to be in portrait mode. I'll get that shot. Well guys, it is an epic location. Okay, it's not the perfect day for a waterfall image, but maybe in a way it is. Like I say, with that blue sky, I don't think it takes anything away from the image. I found to maybe another cascade or so. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just enjoying myself with these guys. I'm so glad that I've been invited on one of these vlogtography adventures, and they are an adventure. And I would, without a doubt, if you need someone to take you these places and to improve your photography and take you to epic locations, get in touch with Paul. Honest to God, I don't think there's anywhere he's not been, and he certainly knows what he's talking about, and I know you would thoroughly enjoy it. I'm having a fantastic time. All of the guys are absolutely superb. We've got a big trip coming up in October with these guys, and now I cannot wait. It's going to be epic. I've really thoroughly enjoying it, and we're only halfway through this journey. Whether I survive it is another thing, but yeah. So yeah, if you want a one-to-one, a workshop or anything like that, get in touch with him. He is the man. He's the man. He's got the skills, he's got the know-how, and he's got the know-where. That's them calling. Roger. So he's even checking on us. So, but no, super. It's took us to 2 locations this morning. That bridge and that cathedral of a cave, which was epic. I don't think I've got any good images from there, I don't know, but that would be on a different vlog, I think. So if it is, go and check it out. Epic location. For me, it's all about the location, sharing this location. This is a secret location, so if you want to know where this location is, message me. I prefer to share all my locations. I've got no problem with that, unless you're on a private land where they don't want to share it. I can understand that as well. So, but my vlogging is all to do with sharing where my location, sort of coming with me on that journey, and you getting out there and getting some fabulous images. And I hope you do, and I'm sure if you come up here you will do, and you'll certainly enjoy. The view is just epic. Right, that's enough chit chat. Let's see if we can find another couple of waterfalls on the way down. My knees.